friends, welcome to my channel. Scarves are an essential part of any winter wardrobe, aside from providing warmth. This accessory is often our outfit's missing piece, adding interest, color, or even a fun print. However, there are numerous solutions for how to tie a scarf. And each twist or knot has the ability to instantly boost any look. So, if you're hoping to go beyond that simple drape, check out on for a few fun ways to tie a scarf, helping you make the most out of this little extra all season long. So keep it watch and don't forget to support and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.